screen? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, look at the question number 7. Find the slope of a line which makes an angle 30 degree. So देखो, so y-axis, x-axis, um, the line makes angle 30 degree with the positive direction of the y-axis. So, so line will be like this. Here is the positive direction of y-axis. So in the anti-clockwise direction, this is 30 degree bola. This is 30 degree because this is y-axis. Positive direction of the y-axis, and with the positive direction of the y-axis, your line makes an angle 30 degree. That is what it says. Okay. So we have to find the slope of the line. Slope of the line चाहिए तो we know slope of the line is m is equal to tan theta. ये एक तो angle पता होना चाहिए. Tan theta मतलब हमें ये angle, the line that makes with the positive direction of x, this is your theta. You have to know what is that angle. So how much is that angle? ये तो 90 है, right? This is 90. ये तो कितना होगा? 30 degree because it's
वर्टिकली
vertically
अपोजिट एंगल.
opposite angle. So ये होगा 60 degree because total angle in a triangle should be 180. If that is 60, this should be 120 because linear pair. So m is equal to tan 120 degree. So मैंने आपको बोला था for an angle and its reference angle, the values are same. So reference angle मतलब 120 degree का reference angle है 60 degree, right? Because 120 lies in the second quadrant. So this is 120. So reference angle is 60. So so this is same as tan 60. And
60.
ये check करना है कि sin tan 120. The second quadrant tan is
माइनस.
so it is negative tan 60 and which is negative tan 60. वो आपको अभी एक तो आप ट्रायंगल वैल्यू आपको पता है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो रेफरेंस ट्रायंगल आपको याद रख देना. 30 60 90 ट्रायंगल में साइड्स आर इन द रेशियो 1:√3:2. उसमें से देख के आप tan 60 is adjacent side, sorry opposite side, so which is √3 divided by
अपॉन
adjacent
1.
side 1. So that is आपको मिलेगा -√3. The slope is
√3.
-√3. Minus इसलिए है कि negative sign indicates that it is falling down when you are moving towards the right side. Got it?
यस सर.
Yeah. So that's it. Next question. Find the value of x for which the points are collinear. So 3 points are given. Okay. Collinear मतलब क्या होना चाहिए? एक लाइन में आना चाहिए.
एक स्ट्रेट लाइन में.
So maybe here is the point x comma -1. Roughly we don't know in which order it is coming, but we are drawing a rough picture. 4 5 collinear है तो एक ही लाइन में आना चाहिए. Okay. So you just call these points as A, B, C. Now, how can you prove it is collinear? Using okay, एक तो मेथड कैसे है, तो अलग अलग मेथड हमने अभी एक मेथड तो बताया था डिस्टेंस निकालना ए बी बी सी एंड ए सी. दो डिस्टेंस का सम तीसरा डिस्टेंस, then it is collinear, right? Isn't
यस
it?
सर.
Yeah, but इधर तो x है, हमें डिस्टेंस निकालने के लिए करेक्ट नंबर नहीं है. एंड दूसरे है कि ये कोलिनियर है करके प्रूफ करने के लिए कोलिनियर है तो x का वैल्यू. सो ऐसे कर सकते हैं ए बी प्लस बी सी इज इक्वल टू ए सी करके कर सकते हैं. दूसरे एक टेक्निक था हमने सेक्शन फॉर्मूला से भी कर सकते था, बी इसको ए सी को k:1 में डिवाइड कर रहे करके. ऐसे बहुत सारा मेथड्स था. देन हमने देखा था ट्रायंगल का एरिया 0. ये तीनों वर्टिसेस द ट्रायंगल फॉर्म बाय द एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल फॉर्म बाय these three vertices. So हमारे पास फॉर्मूला है that area is equal to 0 इक्वेट करके भी हम कर सकते हैं. अभी हम
Yes,
एक
sir.
दूसरे एक अभी तो हम स्लोप पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं. So we can say that if they are collinear, we can say that slope of AB is equal to slope of BC.
BC.
Okay, ऐसे होना ही चाहिए, right? Slope of AB must be equal to slope of BC. So we know when the slopes are equal, two lines are parallel. When two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
So then you can say, sir, the lines are parallel only. Like this is AB. Then slope equal है तो line क्या होना चाहिए? Parallel होना चाहिए, नहीं तो
Parallel.
same. But तो देखो इधर तो BC ऐसे नहीं आएगा क्योंकि B तो इधर ऑलरेडी इधर है. So the बाकी ऐसे ही आएगा ना BC, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that means if these three lines are collinear, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Slope of AB should be equal to slope of BC because it says that they
BC.
are collinear. So collinear तो उसका slopes equal होना चाहिए. So now just use that concept. Slope of AB, change in y. So change in y, it is 1 minus 1 divided by change in x, 2 minus x. That is same as slope of BC, change in y, 5 minus 1 divided by change in x, 4 minus 2. That is 2 by 2 minus x is equal to 4 by 2. That is equal to 2. 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 by 2, that is 2. The cross multiply करेंगे तो 2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus x. That is 2 is equal to 2 into 2, 4 minus 2x. So 2x right side में आएगा. So 2x is equal to 4. ये 2 इधर जाएगा. So 4 minus 2 which is 2. That means x is equal to 2 upon 2 which is equal to 1.
1.
Okay. So if these 3 points are collinear, the value of x is equal to 1. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Next
Yes,
question.
sir.
Rohini, are you there? Yeah. Okay. Without using the distance formula, show that the points are vertices of a parallelogram. So एक rough picture draw कर देना. Y-axis, x-axis. Now the points -2, -1. Okay, -2, -1. Then 4, 0. Okay, either 4, 0. Now 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Then minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2. So हमें प्रूफ करना है. ये दो रफ पिक्चर ड्रॉ किया है. वी हैव टू प्रूव दैट दिस इज पैरेललोग्राम. A, B, C, D. विदाउट यूजिंग डिस्टेंस फार्मूला. डिस्टेंस फार्मूला यूज करेंगे तो क्या कर सकते था? ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल लेकर के प्रूफ कर देना. ए बी इज इक्वल टू डी सी एंड ए डी इज इक्वल टू बी सी प्रूफ करेंगे तो डिस्टेंस फार्मूला यूज करके चारों साइड निकाल सकते हैं एक बार. इफ यू गेट ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल देन इट इज अ पैरेललोग्राम, राइट? But here without using distance formula. So without using distance formula then कैसे करेंगे? क्या कर सकते हैं? जल्दी बताओ. What can we do? Anybody? हमने हेलो, आर यू हियरिंग मी? आर यू लिसनिंग मी?
Slope equal.
लेकिन हमने एक ही कंसेप्ट पढ़ाई किया, स्लोप. सो हमें पता है कि पैरेललोग्राम का ओके ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल है. वैसे हमें पता है कि पैरेललोग्राम का ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल है. सो इफ यू आर एबल टू प्रूव ए बी पैरेलल टू DC
DC.
and AD
AD
पैरेलल टू
BC.
BC,
BC.
दोनों पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट साइड्स, both pair of opposite sides are parallel है तो it is a parallelogram. That is another method to prove a quadrilateral is a parallelogram. अपने 10वीं क्लास में 9वीं क्लास में बहुत सारे टेक्निक पढ़ाई किया है, जैसे क्वाड्रिलैटरल पैरेललोग्राम है करके ऐसे प्रूफ करेंगे. एक तो द ऑपोजिट साइड्स इक्वल है करके प्रूफ कर देना, देन ऑपोजिट साइड्स दोनों पेयर ऑफ ऑपोजिट
Diagonals are
पैरेलल है,
equal.
डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट्स है, नहीं तो जैसे ऑपोजिट पेयर ऑफ एंगल्स इक्वल है, ऐसे अलग अलग मेथड आपने पढ़ाई किया था. सो इधर हम विदाउट डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला प्रूफ करना है. दैट मीन्स हमें क्या करना है कि ऑपोजिट साइड्स पैरेलल है. सो पैरेलल करके प्रूफ करने के लिए हमारे पास कौन सा टेक्निक है अभी? स्लोप्स. स्लोप्स इक्वल है
Slopes
तो
are
लाइंस क्या
equal.
है? पैरेलल. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड
Parallel.
मेजर ऑफ मीन स्लोप ऑफ AB, you have to find slope of AB, slope of DC, also you
DC.
have to find slope of AD
AD.
and slope of
And slope
BC.
of BC.
Just use that change in y over change in x. Slope of AB, कोई भी आप x1 y1, you can take anyone as first but just keep that order. y2 minus y1 है तो नीचे x2 minus x1, ऊपर x1 minus x2 है तो नीचे y1 minus y2, इतने की change in y over change in x. So slope of AB, 3 minus 2 change in y divided by change in x, 3 minus minus 3. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 divided by 3 plus 3 is 6. Measure of DC, change in y, 4, 0 minus minus 1 divided by 4 minus minus 2. 0 minus minus 1 is 1, 1 divided by 4 plus 2 is 6. See that these two are equal.
Equal.
They are equal. So if slopes are equal, that means AD is parallel to
Lines are parallel.
DC. Okay. Abhi, next, measure of AD. So measure no, slope of AD. Change in y, minus 1 minus 2 divided by change in x,
Minus
minus 2
minus 2 plus 3.
minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 1 second. Okay. एक कॉल आया था. Minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3 divided by minus 2 minus minus 3 minus 2 plus 3. That is 1. So it is minus 3. Now slope of BC, change in y, 0 minus 3 divided by change in x, 4 minus 3. That is 0 minus 3 is minus 3 divided by 4 minus 3, which is 1.
1
So that is minus 3. So again you
minus
can see
3.
that these two are equals.
Parallel lines.
That means slopes are equal, matlab they are
La-
parallel. So both pairs of
Parallel.
opposite sides are parallel. So you can conclude that it is a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Yeah. Next one. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points. Okay. So here rough picture draw kar dena. X-axis and y-axis. Now line joining the points 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 matlab somewhere here. This is 3 minus 1. Then 4 minus 2. So 4 minus 2. तो नीचे जाएगा ना, 4 minus 2. So find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. So एक line, ये दोनों point को join करके जा रहे, right? ऐसे. This is your line. These are the points 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. So हमें angle चाहिए. Find the angle between the x-axis and the line joining the points. So angle between मतलब this angle. एक मिनट, find the एक मिनट. Yeah, this angle we need. This is the angle we takes, na? This angle we need. How we'll get this? How we will get this? जल्दी बताओ. Any idea? बोलो. How can we find that angle between the lines? See, we can find the slope of the line using these 2 points, right? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Change in y, that is minus 2 minus minus 1. Change in y over change in x, 4 minus 3. So minus 2 minus minus 1 is minus 1 divided by 1, which is equal to minus 1. Also हमें पता है slope is equal to tan theta, right? So from these two we got tan theta is equal to minus 1, because
-1.
दोनों तरीके से हम स्लोप निकाला, तो tan theta is equal to minus 1. Now, so कौन सा एंगल के लिए tan theta minus 1 आ रहे? देखो theta is in second quadrant, right? Theta is in
-45.
minus 45 नहीं, minus 45 नीचे आएगा ना,
हाँ यस सर,
ये एंगल आएगा,
190
right?
180
हाँ,
-45.
so ये एंगल आएगा थीटा. सो हमें पता है माइनस इसलिए आया कि सेकंड क्वार्टर में है, राइट? सो ये रेफरेंस एंगल,
135.
या हमें पता है कि tan 45 डिग्री इज 1, दैट मीन्स दिस रेफरेंस एंगल इज 45 डिग्री, दैट मीन्स थीटा इज इक्वल टू 135 डिग्री.
135.
180 माइनस
यस सर,
45 विच इज इक्वल टू
45.
135 डिग्री. ठीक है, सो माइनस इसलिए आया कि
Yes.
सेकंड क्वार्टर में है. So then we know that tan theta 1 are, tan theta 1 are 45 degree को. That means reference angle is 45 degree. That means original angle is 180 minus 45, which is equal to
135.
135 degree. So that is the angle that the line makes with the x-axis. Okay.
Yes sir.
Yeah. Okay. Before going to that question number 11, I just want to tell you one thing. The angle between two lines, like this is x-axis, y-axis, and you have two lines. Say this is L1, first line, another line L2. So this is line 1, this is line 2. So two lines. So angle between these two lines. So angle between two lines मतलब हम हमेशा that acute angle लेते हैं. This is the angle theta. You can say this is also angle between that two lines, but that is obtuse angle. So whenever normally we say angle between two lines मतलब we find the acute angle between that two lines. Okay. So I just want to tell you that formula. I don't want to go to the proof and all those things. Whenever you get time, you can go through the proof. It is in the textbook. So let M1, this is the slope of first line. M2, slope of second line. Okay. M1 is the slope of line 1. M2, that is the slope of line 2. Then the formula to find the angle between these two lines is equal to tan theta is equal to magnitude of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, comma 1 plus m1 m2 must be not equal to 0. क्योंकि फर्स्ट पॉइंट 1 प्लस m1 m2 इक्वल टू 0 हो गया तो डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो गया, 0 हो जाएगा ना. Then it is not defined, right? Isn't it?
Sir.
Yeah.
Yes sir.
So do you know what is the meaning of 1 plus m1 m2 0 मतलब क्या होते? 1 plus m1 m2 0. If it is 0 मतलब what it means?
90 degree. 90
Yeah, that
degree.
means m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. Product of the
Minus
slopes is minus 1. So when the product of the slopes is minus 1, then angle between then theta is equal to, that means theta is equal to
90 degree.
90 degree. ठीक है,
90 degree.
वो तो अलग केस है. So in other than that, that is why 1 plus m1 m2 must be not equal to 0. So other than that, if you know the slope of two lines, if m1 is the slope of one line, m2 is the slope of another line, then the angle between that two can be found using the formula tan theta is equal to मॉडुलस ऑफ, इसलिए मॉडुलस लिया है कि हमें जो अंदर जो भी है पॉजिटिव आ गया तो भी नेगेटिव आ गया तो भी उसको पॉजिटिव करना है, क्योंकि थीटा एक्यूट है, थीटा एक्यूट मतलब फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में आएगा तो tan पॉजिटिव है, इसलिए हम वैसे ले रहे हैं। सो tan थीटा इज
Yes,
इक्वल टू
sir.
मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2, just a formula by head kar dena, that's all. So this will help you to find the angle between two lines. m Only thing you need to know is the slope of the two lines. So tan theta is equal to modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay,
M2.
yeah, so that's all. Just remember that formula, that is most important thing. Now we will go to the question. The slope of a line is double of the slope of another line if the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. Find the slope of the lines. So two lines. Abhi ek rough picture. Line 1, line 2. Okay. This is line 1, line 2. Okay. First one ka slope say you can just call it as m1. Second one ka slope say some m2. And what they said is the slope of a line is double of the slope of another line. So just imagine, let m1 is equal to m. So m2 कितना है 2m, राइट? उन्होंने बोला है कि स्लोप ऑफ ए लाइन इज डबल द
Double
स्लोप
the
ऑफ अनदर लाइन. सो
of
फर्स्ट लाइन का स्लोप हमने सिर्फ m पकड़ा, सो उसका मतलब सेकंड लाइन का स्लोप क्या हो जाएगा 2m, डबल हो जाएगा.
2M.
Okay, that is what it says. Then if the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, so we don't know what is the angle between them. Let theta is the angle between them. So उन्होंने बोला है कि tan theta is equal to tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. So then we have to find the slope of the line. So tan theta का formula क्या था m2 minus m1 divided
M1
by 1
upon
plus
1
m1 into
plus
m2,
M1 M2
that is equal to 1 by 3. So
by 3.
m2, either m2 is 2m
2M
minus m1, m1
minus
is m,
M
divided by
M
1 plus
1
2m into m, or 1
2M
plus m into 2m. m1 is m, m2 is 2m.
2M square
So this is equal to 1 by 3. 2m minus m is m, m divided by 1 plus 2m square
M square
is equal to 1 by 3,
1 by 3.
right? Now,
M common लेंगे.
yeah. ये तो ऐसे आप बोल सकते, इसमें से आप एक चीज ऐसे बोल सकते हैं कि m divided by 1 plus 2m square, it can be 1 by 3, or m divided by 1 plus 2m square, it can be minus 1 by 3, right? जो मॉडुलस
Yes
के
sir.
अंदर, मॉडुलस के अंदर 1 by 3 आया है तो भी उसका मॉडुलस 1 by 3 आएगा. मॉडुलस के अंदर जो चीज है उसका वैल्यू माइनस 1 by 3 आया तो भी जब मॉडुलस निकालेगा क्या आएगा 1 by 3 आएगा. सो दिस मॉडुलस के जो अंदर जो चीज है m डिवाइडेड बाई 1 plus 2m square, इट कैन बी 1 by 3 और minus 1 by 3, दोनों हो सकते हैं. Whatever it is, when you take the absolute value or the modulus, it becomes 1 by 3. So now इसमें से आप देखो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करो, 1 plus 2m square is equal to 3m, or it is 3m square, 2m square minus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. So आप फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं 2m m minus 1 is equal to 0, क्योंकि मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 2m into m 2m square minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, then 2m into minus 1 minus 2m minus 1 into m minus m, तो minus 2m minus m minus 3m, ऐसे फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. तो इसमें से आपको मिलेगा 2m minus 1 is equal to 0, और m is equal to 1 by 2, or m is equal to 1. That is one option. Okay. दूसरा, इसमें से आपको मिलेगा minus 1 into, or you can say 1 plus 2m square is equal to minus 3m. Okay, it is minus of 1 by 3. So you can consider that minus with the numerator, or you can consider it with the denominator, whatever it is, as you wish. Either you can take the minus in the numerator, or you can take the minus in the denominator. So 1 plus 2m square is equal to minus 3 into m. So ये आपको मिलेगा 2m square plus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. So that is 2m plus 1 into m plus 1 is equal to 0. So इसमें से आपको मिलेगा m is equal to minus 1 by 2 and m is equal to minus 1. So these are the two different possibilities. Got it? And इधर देखो, दोनों में देखो, एक का स्लोप दूसरे का स्लोप का, if m is equal to 1 by 2, so that is, इधर आप ऐसे लिख सकते हैं m1, m का वैल्यू m is equal to 1 by 2 है, तो देखो इधर if m is equal to 1 by 2, m is equal to 1 by 2 देंगे तो m1 is 1 by 2, m2 is 2 into 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. Got it? Now second case, if m is equal to 1, then m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to 2 into 1, that is 2. If m is equal to minus 1 by 2, so m1 is equal to minus 1 by 2, because m1 is m, m2 is 2 into minus 1 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. And last option, if m is equal to minus 1, then m1 is equal to minus 1, m2 is equal to 2 into m, that is 2 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 2. See? So how many options are there? 4 possibilities. Understood?
Yes, sir.
We got the value of m. We got the value of m. M is equal to 1 by 2 or 1, or minus 1 by 2 or minus 1. चारों सिचुएशन, m is equal to 1 by 2 है तो m1 and m2 का वैल्यू निकाला, m is equal to 1 है तो m1 and m2 का वैल्यू निकाला, m is equal to minus 1 by 2 है तो भी निकाला, m is equal to minus. So 4 different possibilities we have seen. These are the 4 different possibilities. These are the 4 different answers. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now we'll move to the next question. A line passed through the point x1, y1 and h comma k. So we don't know, rough line draw कर देना, एक line, whatever it is, it's passing through the point. तो line इसलिए हम draw कर रहे हैं, हमें थोड़ा सा idea मिलना है, that's all. x1, y1 and another point is h comma k. Slope is m. Okay, slope is equal to m. It is given. So what is slope? Change in y over change in x. So change in y, k minus y1 divided by change in x, x minus h x1, right? Cross multiply करो, that मतलब k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. हो गया ना? That is what we need to prove. देखो, prove that k minus y1 is equal to m into h minus x1. Clear? आया
Yes,
समझ
sir.
में? या जस्ट ना डायरेक्ट स्लोप का
Yes, sir.
फॉर्मूला यूज किया.
Yes, sir.
देखो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 3 पॉइंट्स लाई ऑन ए लाइन. ओके, सो एक लाइन, 3 पॉइंट्स लाई ऑन ए लाइन, h comma 0. ओके, वी डोंट नो, जो h comma 0, a comma b, 0 comma
0,
k.
k.
ओके, दिस इज द 3 पॉइंट्स लाई ऑन ए लाइन. सो हमें प्रूफ करना है a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. Okay. Now, so you can call this as, this is your point A, this is your point B, this is
B,
your point C.
C.
Okay. So तीनों एक ही लाइन में है तो क्या होगा, स्लोप ऑफ ए बी इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ बी सी, दैट इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ ए सी, क्योंकि तीनों ए बी बी सी, सॉरी बी सी एंड ए सी क्या होगा, सेम ही है ना, सेम
Yes,
लाइन
sir.
ही है ना. सो सेम लाइन का सेम लाइन है तो उसका स्लोप क्या होगा, सेम होगा.
Equal.
Yeah, so we'll just consider these two. Let's see, we will get something. Slope of AB, slope of AB. So change in y, that is y, matlab b minus 0 divided by change in x, a
A
minus
minus H.
h
H.
equal to slope of BC, k minus b, change in y, k minus b divided by 0 minus a. Okay, so इसमें से
Yes, sir.
आपको मिलेगा b divided by a minus h
A
is
minus H.
k minus b divided by
Minus A.
minus a. Or in other words, this you can take minus common, you can say it is b minus k divided by a. Minus common निकाला है तो b minus k divided by a. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो a into b, just cross multiply. So आपको मिलेगा a into b is equal to a minus h into b minus k, right? Okay, just cross multiply किया ये दोनों को, this one and this one. इधर से मैंने माइनस कॉमन निकाला, सो आएगा माइनस ऑफ b माइनस के. सो माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा, दिस माइनस दैट बिकम्स प्लस, दैट इज इट इज b minus k divided by a.
Yes, sir.
Now, so this is ab is equal to that a into b, ab
थैंक यू सर.
किधर जा रहे, माइनस a into k, ak minus b into h, bh plus h into k, hk, right? so ये भी दोनों साइड से कट हो जाएगा. So that means, okay, so आपको आप क्या कर सकते हैं, ये दोनों नेगेटिव वाला लेफ्ट साइड में लेके आ सकते हैं. so आप बोल सकते हैं कि ए के प्लस बी एच इज इक्वल टू एच के, ए के प्लस बी एच इज इक्वल टू एच के. ओके, बट हमें प्रूफ करना था राइट साइड इज इक्वल टू 1. सो क्या कर देना, डिवाइड बाय एच के ऑन बोथ
Both side.
साइड्स. सो क्या होगा, ए के बाई एच के प्लस
EHK.
बी एच बाई एच के इज इक्वल टू
HK.
एच के बाई एच के.
HK.
सो ए के बाई एच के, सो के कट हो जाएगा, आपको
K
मिलेगा ए
cancel.
बाई एच,
HH cancel.
एच एच
HH
कैंसिल,
cancel.
बी बाई के इज इक्वल टू एच के बाई एच
1.
के इज 1. सो दैट इज व्हाट वी
1.
नीड टू प्रूफ. सो वी प्रूव्ड इट.
Yes, bro.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what we have seen is mainly 4 concept. One is angle of inclination, then slope. Slope can be this angle tan of the angle of inclination, or it is change in y over
Y2 minus
change in
change
x.
in X.
Slope can be 0, slope can be greater than 0, slope can be less than 0, slope can be undefined.
Non-defined.
If lines parallel, slopes
Slopes
are
are equal.
equal. If lines perpendicular, slope is
Slope
negative
non-defined.
reciprocals
Not.
of each other. Now, so the product of the slopes is
Yes, sir.
-1, right?
Minus 1.
Then
Yes, sir.
angle between two lines. So tan of theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1
1 plus
m2.
m1 m2.
इतना कंसेप्ट आपने अभी तक देखा है. ओके, अभी आने
Yes, sir.
वाला क्लास में वी विल डिस्कस डिफरेंट इक्वेशंस ऑफ लाइंस. लाइंस का डिफरेंट इक्वेशंस के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके,
Okay, sir.
या
Yes, sir.
सो टुडे like you have the physics period.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so anyway, carry on. ठीक है, so we will see in the next class.
Yes, sir.